Good morning, and here are your top 5 stocks to keep an eye out on in today's trading session. Well, all about results, so let's begin then with Britannia. They came out with revenues as well as profits that were in line with street estimates. Margins came in above, so revenues up 12% at 3,419 crores, PAT at 495 crores, that's up 23% on year, and the EBITDA grew 37% to come in at 675 crore rupees. Margins at 19.8% versus 16.1%, as I said, above street estimates. The volume growth was approximately 10%, and they say that they continue to benefit from the rise in home consumption products. The company saw moderate inflation in the key raw materials, and the efficiency measures has managed to aid their EBITDA margins. ACC then, a good beat on all parameters in their numbers. Their revenues were flat at 3,467 crores. PAT higher by nearly 21% to this time around. You also had the EBITDA coming in at 671 crores, up 23%, and margins at 19.4% versus 15.7%. The volumes were up 1% on a year-on-year basis at 6.5 million tons, and the company said that the rural and retail sales led to a comeback in demand, and their urban demand is yet to recover fully because of the COVID situation or the lockdown. Well, let's get a move on then. Apart from those, we're watching out for keep an eye out then for HUL, which is expected to come out with its numbers later today, and the revenue is expected higher by 13.9 crores at 11,223 crores. The PAT is seen at 2,807 crore rupees, up about 15%. EBITDA is seen at 2,011 crore rupees. And the volume growth ex-GSK is expected at about 1 to 2%. The revenue is likely to see a boost on account of consolidation of the acquired Horlicks as well as Boost. Personal care has improved, although the color cosmetics and deodorant is under pressure. And the cost optimization, the synergy benefits and low ad rates are likely to support the EBITDA margins. Watch out for HDFC Life that came out with its numbers yesterday post-market hours as well. Their standalone PAT came in at 326 crores versus 308 crore rupees. You had the GWP at 10,182 crore rupees, and the value of the new business grew nearly 22% to come in at 547 crores, with new business margins at 25.7% versus 24.3%. And moving on then, good news for L&T as the company is the lowest bidder, or the L1 bidder in the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project. The company bid about 24,984 crores, and they beat 2 other bids by Tata Projects and Afcon's infrastructure. This package is the largest among all of the line's construction and represents nearly 47% of the main line of the 508 kilometers. The segment starts in Maharashtra-Gujarat border to the Vadodara station. Jefferies has a buy on L&T with a target price of 1280, saying that it's a positive surprise on the FY21 order inflow if the LOA comes into fruition. The order pickup as well as the domestic execution in the last 2 years also gives margin comfort.